Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video. Some reports suggest that Oneplus is providing free battery replacement for its older devices like Oneplus 3, 3T, 5, 5T, 6 and 6T. And I've been getting lots of comments regarding how to check the battery health and on what battery health we should replace the battery. So in this video, we'll show you guys how to check the battery health of Oneplus phones. Before moving ahead guys, we have 80% of users on a channel who haven't subscribed to it and they've watched the videos. Guys, it's a humble request, do subscribe to our channel. It will help us grow in future. And let's keep a like target on this video. I'm not demanding much. It's only a target of 150 likes. And huge thanks to you guys for providing such an awesome support on our previous video. We asked for 150 like target and you guys made it 800. So once again, thank you so much for the love and support. So here you can see I have 3 devices, OnePlus 5, OnePlus 7 and OnePlus 9. First, talking about the battery replacement guys, is just a report what we have got from Reddit, which also claims that you need to go to service center and get the replacement of your battery, and which is free of cost. But I haven't got any kind of information from any of the OnePlus users that they have got it replaced. But you can give it a try if it's happening for free of cost. Few months back I made a video on checking the battery health of OnePlus phones, and once again I'll show you how to know the battery health of your device. And guys, there are multiple methods to find it out, and it will also not give you the accurate information. But still, you'll have a fair idea about the battery health, and if your older OnePlus device doesn't give good battery backup, then it's better to get it replaced. In this video, we'll be talking about 3 methods. One is using Oneplus Diagnose app, second one using AccuBattery application, and third method is for rooted OnePlus phones. Guys, OnePlus Diagnose app doesn't work with OnePlus 8 series and OnePlus 9 series. I'm not sure about OnePlus Nord series, but it works on OnePlus 3, 3T, 5, 5T, 6, 6T and 7 series too. There's a latest version of OnePlus Diagnose app, which is version 2.0 or 2.1, but I won't recommend you guys using that app, because if you're using that particular version of OnePlus Diagnose app, then you need to follow a few additional steps. So I recommend you guys to use the version 1.0. Link of that can be found in the description below. And as said, this won't give you an exact idea, but a fair idea about your battery health. And also guys, please do not comment in the comment section below that this method is not accurate. So if you have any other method, you guys can try it out with your personal method. After the teardown of this application, we know that this app would give a fair idea about the battery health. So let's not go deep inside it, and we'll show you how does it work. So here you can see I have my OnePlus 7 Pro. On non-rooted devices, just use the OnePlus Diagnose version 1.0 and open that application, where you'll get few information about your device. You just need to tap on this view battery status. And here you can see this will show you the battery capacity, battery temperature, and at last battery state, which says my device battery health is around 82%. And if your device battery is below 80% or below 75%, then I would recommend you guys to go for the replacement. So this is one way by which you can find out the battery health. But if this doesn't work, then you can download this application from Google Play Store, or I'll leave link in the description below. Just download this APK from there. So here also in this app, we have options like charging, discharging status, health and history. So under health, you can see this shows 74% battery health of my OnePlus 7 Pro. And this will not be accurate initially. You need to charge your device multiple times and discharge it. It's showing 74 because I have charged and discharged only once. After multiple charges, this might give me a fair idea about my device battery health. But with the first cycle also, you can see it says 74%. That means yes, my device battery is pretty weak. And now let's talk about the last method for rooted users. So here I have my OnePlus 5, which is rooted, and after that you can download any terminal application. In my case, I'm using Termex. So here once you open the application, you need to give the command su to allow super user permissions. So I've already allowed this super user permission or root access to this particular application. Just hit enter, and after allowing super user request, then you need to give a command which you can find it in the description below. So if you take a look here, the command is cat spacebar /sys/ power underscore supply /bms, which stands for battery management system /battery underscore health. And if you hit enter, that will show you the battery health of your device. And it says 79% of battery health is remaining on my OnePlus 5. So guys, these are the 3 methods by which you can find out battery health of your OnePlus phone. And also if you guys are going for the replacement, do let me know in the comment section below whether your battery is being replaced free of cost or not. And if you still have any kind of questions, let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.